Yeah, hi friends, welcome to our channel, Electrical Products Review. So today we are making like today I'm going to show you various electrical products of Gold Medal Company. So let's see. Today I have this one all the products of Gold Medal which they are like manufacturing. So today I'm going to show you all the products of this company, whatever they have been like making these products, whatever products they are making, and what's the like gold medal products are available in the market. So let's see what the products we will show you. So first of all, this is the first plate we have. It's a like a blue model shape plate, and these are switches. And let's reveal like various products of gold medal company. And here is the brand ambassador we have, Jacqueline Fernandez, on this PDF file of Gold Medal Company. And then we have here is fan regulators. We have they have like shown the cute fan regulators they have. And let's see what else they have. And these are like G style cloud GFA model plates. They have been showing over here, and there is a piano switch they have shown in this PDF file. And here also there is sample of a G5 G style model Cloud 9 GFA model plates, piano switches, and fan regulators. And let's see over what else they have. And here we have they have different plates which are available. GFA Cloud 9 series, F9 series, whatever plates they are have in blue shade, brown shade. They have in gray shade, red shade, dark blue color, orange color. They have these plates. And they have these plates in magenta color, green color as well. And what else? Let's see that sound never locked. These are they make the sound spots, like you have to just place the phone over here, and this will connect, and like songs will like play automatically from here. And they have like shown the sample. These are like sound pods we have of gold medal company. And they have here GFA model. I will show you what we call it as GFA A blue sapphire cover plate with eye dock in titanium gray. This is the they have given phone you can place over here, and you can plug in and hear the sounds. Here we have is a stereophonic speaker to two module, FM Bluetooth switch they have given over here. Smart dock 4 module they have given, and stereo speaker 2 module they have given over here. And these are I will show you like you can play on FM radio, bass, smartphone, audio world, Siri, gesture control. So everywhere you can play this one. They have this nice feature of gold medal. And let's come down. I will show you. These are like G style switches we have. This is a cloud series, GFA series. All is this of G style of like GFA model switches. So these are the G style they have given. And then we have is G eco switches. They have G line switches. So these are the different switches they made on GFA model, gold medal GFA model, the G style switches. And they have given the brief description about the switches as well. If I make this the video will be very lengthy. So G eco switches they have, G line switches. And let's see ultimate sophistication. These are the uh, piano switches they have. They have FG G style switch with indicator. FG I wave switch they have. They manufacture FG I touch 20 ampere switches. FG smart passive infrared detector. And over here light fitting with emergency function they have. These are the uh, various switches types they manufacture. F9 eye push step maker, and these are the 8-step fan regulator F9 plates. These are in the green shade colors. Green shade colors they are. And uh, let's come over here. These are the various type of switches they manufacture. Cloud9 series. We have. I will show you. These are indicator switch they make. They manufactured. And here is a basic switch. And like the switch is with indicator. This is a two-way switch. And they have mentioned like bell push switch, bell push switch with indicator. So here we have another one model eco switches they have. This one here I will show you. One-way switch with the indicator they have shown. Two-way switch, bell push switch, two-way switch, bell push switch they have shown with bell push switch with indicator. And let's come over here, like one-way switch. Two module switches are there, like one-way switch with indicator. These are two model switches we have. They manufacture two-way switch, bell push switch, bell push switch with indicator, and a bell push switch with the luminous name plates as well. They manufacture. And here also these are the G Eco switches. One-way switch, one-way switch with indicator, two-way switch with indicator, two-way switch, bell push switch, and two-way switch, bell push with the indicator. And next session we have is 20 ampere switches, which we have the load switches we call. They have shown here 20 ampere one-way switch, 20 ampere with indicator two-way switch, and 25 ampere one-way switch. Here also they have the same like shown the same way. They have shown 20 ampere switch, 20 ampere switch with the indicator, 20 ampere switch with this one. And let's come here also the same. They have 20 ampere switch, two module, 20 ampere switch with indicator, 20 ampere switch with two-way switch. And this is a DP switch. DP switch are used for like AC purpose. Generally these days are like these are like used for AC purpose, you can say, on off switches for AC, because they can take the load up to 32 ampere. So these are used for this one. And here also they have mentioned G Eco switches as well. 20 ampere switch, 20 ampere switch with indicator, 20 ampere switch with the 20 like two-way switch. And they have shown here 32 ampere DP switch. And let's move. And these are they have different types of switches. These are called as G style switch. These are called piano switches. So here are the piano switches, the same way. One-way switch with the indicator, one-way switch with the two-way switch. They have shown with this one. Over here they have given the sockets. This is a 6 ampere socket. We have 6 ampere socket. And then here comes the one-way switch. One-way switch with indicator, one-way switch with two-way switch. These are like G style switches. Bell push switch and bell push switch with the LED indicator. And here also they have 16 ampere switches. These are sockets, 16 ampere sockets with heavy duty with safety shutter they have. And 60 ampere and 16 and 12 ampere socket with the flap and indicator. This one it comes with. Now let's come over here. 20 ampere switches. They have shown 20 ampere switches with indicator, 20 ampere switches with two-way switch, 25 ampere switch, one-way switch. So here we have is fan regulators. They have shown these are dimmers, like dimmers and fan regulators. They have shown like dimmer to like step 4, like step regulator, 4 step regulator, 4-step Galaxy fan regulators. They have shown fan full rotary knobs, fan half wave, fan full wave. These are the different knobs they make. And let's see over here. They have shown some 32 ampere DP switch. And here they have TV sockets. They have shown different TV sockets they manufacture. And let's see over here, there are the different MCBs they manufacture, module MCBs, like 6 ampere to 32 ampere. And here like these are DP module DPs they manufacture from 6 ampere to 32 ampere load. According to the load you can have in your house, in your homes, for in your rooms. And these are indicators they have fuse sections, they have black modules, LED step marker. Here the step here the I push step marker we have. These are the step markers. This one is the light fitting with emergency functions. These are the 3 modules light fitting with emergency functions. Here we have is a electronic well, GFA electronic model well. And here we have 32 ampere DP operated by T key tags, which are being used in the especially in the hotels, in restaurants you can say, for logging and tagging. And these are the only key tags. And here we have 25 ampere electronic badge switch. And then let's come to this section. These are the do not disturb make my room switches we have. Do not disturb make my room. These are the switches we have in module 1, module 2, module switches. And then we have like universal car chargers, fast type chargers 65. Then we have is these are the like USB double chargers, single port chargers, double port chargers. These are dual port chargers with indicator and with sockets, intelligent sockets. Here we have is 18-watt type C charger, single port. And I-wave switch they have. These are the I-wave, these are like touch switches they manufacture. And here comes we have the touch series. So generally rich people use this touch series switches as well. And I touch, there were like 2 switches. I touch 20 ampere switch. We have I touch fan regulator. We have I touch Zipora Zigbee drive controller. Then I touch Zigbee 4 switch with master supply voltage. Then we have I touch Zigbee 240 volt 6 module switches. And here we have is smart passive infrared detector they have shown. And here is the iDock player, Galaxy dock player they have shown over here. And stereophone speaker 2 module, router extender they have given. And let's come to the another section now. So Zen, these are the switches, touch switches only, Zen type they have given. And here is a 20 ampere 20 ampere like 2 module Zen type switches, like 10 way 2 way switches, 10 way 2 switches with indicator, 10 ampere switches with indicator, bell push switch. Here we have 10 ampere sockets, 10 ampere 2 international sockets with switch and USB. And these are the different plates, F9 series plates. F9 they come with A9 series, then comes the X9 series. Then these are various color plates they manufacture according to the demand in the market. They manufacture like so many color plates, red, blue, green, yellow, white. So all the things they are making out. And let's move to the another section now. So they have given these specifications, how these switches are. Here also they have given some indicators like how to use this. These are the safety process, safety is like, these are the I think iSecure 7-inch IP video door phone kit in black. And these are the like locks they manufacture for the homes, for household safeties. And here they have given how is the operation of the switches. They have given the assembly, how the switches are assembled. Here they have given like two knobs, and here is a pin supply is there, pin indicator which gets strict, and here's the outer body, and here's the back body. So these are the different plates. They have given Vega is the series, different plates of Vega series, Vega, and these are the different switches they have given over here as well. And iTouch Wi-Fi panels, they manufacture iTouch Wi-Fi panels as well, smart life living with my switcher. And next week comes the curve model of gold medal. Here they have given a curve model. These are the one-way switches, one way switch with indicator, one-way switch. I will show you one-way switch with two-way switch, indicator switch. Here also, this is the curve model of the company. These are the two models. These are the two models switches, and here these are the 20 ampere switches they have. They manufacture 20 ampere one-way switch. These are 20 ampere two-way switches. These are the DP switch. Here also, here we have the sockets of the 10 ampere sockets. These are the 16 ampere sockets. These are the 16 ampere socket with shutter. These are the fan regulators, dimmers. These are dimmers, and these are the fan full rotary fan regulators of the company. And here is a dimmer over here, 4-step regulators. Here we have is 4-step regulator over here, and this is the 5-step regulator. Then they have 25 ampere motor starter as well. They have manufactured. This is the telephone and the RJ45 jack. This is a telephone. This is a cable connector, we can say. And then over here we have is EDP switch sockets, EDP socket outlet. They have given EDP socket, RJ45 jack over here. Then here we have different MCBs from 36 ampere to 32 ampere of curve models. And so these are the different DP switches we have of gold medal curve model. And here comes the indicator with LED and red diffuser. This is the indicator we have, and this is a fuse, TikTok fuse, we can say. And these are the step markers, and these are the like G focus light. So light fittings with emergency functions they have given. The light fitting batteries, they manufacture emergency light batteries as well. Black module, this is black module. And electronic buzzers of curve module. Then we have is a 25 electronic badge switch they manufacture. Make my room, do not disturb switches they manufacture. Shaver sockets as well, they manufacture as shaver sockets. And let's come down. They manufacture these what type of switches. It's a combined, you can say, 65 like fast chargers, USB charger, USB charger double output, 18 watt C type charger, and crystal. Here we have is a Cristallo switch, Memorio knobs, you can say, smart passive infrared detector, LPG metal detector, gas detector they manufacture. And there is a RF remote radio emergency they manufacture as well. So let's come down over here. And this is the curve series, touch series. This is the touch series they have. Here we have is a Bluetooth player, two modules, Bluetooth and FM players, 8 modules, iDock players, like Bluetooth receiver they manufacture. So here we have is electronic phonic speaker, 2 module and curve module plates. The automatic suitcase they manufacture is a Jifa modular cover plates suitcase. Yeah, obviously they give to their salesmen these suitcases. And now let's see the Nixon model. They have so many models. These are the Nixon model switches. I will show you how they looks like. They are like a curve shape switches are there. These are the one-way switches. One-way switch be indicator. Two-way switches like same description. One-way switch be like belt push. They are like 20 way, like one-way switch. 20 ampere one-way switches. 20 ampere one-way switches be indicator. 25 up to 25 ampere two module switches. 32 ampere TP switches. Then we have is a one-way switches. One-way switches G click. These are the model. Two-way switches and belt push switch be indicator. G click one-way switch. One-way switch with two-way switch. 12 push switch with indicator. So these are the switch numbers of the G click 25 ampere switches. G click 32 ampere switches. Two module. And these are the indicators like 10 ampere. These are the different models we have of Nixon model as well. One-way switch with indicator. One-way switch G deep is the series. One-way bell push switch will same. This is a G deep series, and here also the same description is there. So 6 ampere, 10 ampere switches they have shown over here. 6 ampere like sockets, 6 ampere like sockets they have shown over here. Dimmers they have shown over here like different dimmers they manufacture. And these are the 5 step regulators. They are the 5 step regulators, full rotatory, 5 fan regulator, 5 step regulators, half rotatory and 5 step regulator, full rotatory. And here we have they have given different type of jacks, RJ45 jacks. These Nixon models they manufacture DP switches. They manufacture tops as well. These are the some of the indicators and bell push and all that. And here we have they have footstep step marker 2 module, step marker 3 module, step marker and light and like step marker they have. Here they have shown electronic mechanical buzzers. This is the electronic mechanical buzzers. They have electronic doorbells, iTouch switches, iTouch RF switches, universal switch 2 module, universal switches 2 module. They have iTouch bell push RF 20 ampere switch. These are. So let's move to the next section now. Here the iTouch switches they have. iTouch RF dimmer, fan regulator dimmers they have. And these are iTouch do not disturb, make me make my room. And there is a 32 main switch. These are the main switch. These are the like 32 main switch 2 module. There are like 25 electronic badge switch. These are, and these are bell indicators 6 module. And let's cover over here DNB, make my room, USB charger internet sockets. So these are the they have like audio video jacket like jacks as well. A router indicator like router extender 3 module, camera IP and ICT sensor switch they have. They manufacture. And so Nixon, let's come over here. The iSense FM radio Bluetooth player they manufacture. They manufacture iFeel RF switches, bell push switches 2 module. So iFeel 20 ampere switches. This is iFeel RF dimmer, fan regulator. Here comes iFeel RF trap controller, and there is a I remote control Enoquin switches. These are Enoquin switches. Icon remote. This is the I remote with micro USB cable, and these are InnoScene switch 2 module. And let's come over here. iTouch Wi-Fi 6 ampere and 20 ampere switches. iTouch Wi-Fi dimmer and fan regulators. They are the iTouch Wi-Fi trap controller. These are iTouch Wi-Fi switch like switches 3 module switches are these are. And these are iTouch Wi-Fi panel, like 2 and 4 modules panels. Two modules panel is this one, and 4 modules panel is this one. iTouch Wi-Fi panel is these are 6 module. Generally we count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modules. This is the 6 module we have, and let's they have given the Wi-Fi as router as well. iTouch automation they make, and these are the costliest ones. So iTouch Wi-Fi router or like routers they make as well. iTouch automation, step marker light. This is a step marker light they have. So iWorld automation, you can simply download the iWorld automation app, and then you can use these switches. So here they have given the principal way of how this iTouch switches work. iWorld, they have given the diagram, so you can have it from the Google as well. This is the diagram they have, and iTouch Wi-Fi smart iTouch how they works. So this is the diagram they have given, so you can download it from Google if you want to more description about this one. If you want to make some video on this one as well, I can make and explain to you how this works. So these were the different switches we have of gold medal company. I was showing you these were so guys, like, share and comment my channel as well for more videos on electrical products knowledge and review, so that we can get the motivation for making more videos on and keep us sharing the comments as well, for more videos, so that we can make more videos on more topics for you. So like, share and comment as well, and suggest as well which one to us to which one on which topics we can make up more videos for you. And these are the let's continue with this one. Here are the curve modules plates: white, yellow, red, green, sea green. This is a Quora model. They have given Crescello, Quora, curve, golden curve, Grazia, curve, is a iTouch, Glacio, curve, Vega. So these are Vega colors, different colors they make, and these are the Glacio plates they make, color of Glacio plates. I will just show you because this video is going to be long if I am going to explain the whole things of gold medal products. Today I will cover up these plate like switches and plates only, and so in next video I will show you the various products, byproducts they make, the gold medal make. In next video I will show you. If I get views on this one and likes and shares and 1 million views on this video, so I will make another videos as well for you on various electrical companies products as well. So guys, please like, share and comment, so that I can so that ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को इन प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में पता लग पाए, गोल्ड मेडल इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपनी के, and another companies as well. We will come up with if we get the motivation for me for more products to show it to you. This is the brief PDF I am just showing you. So here comes the another model. Here air model, gold medal make air model is also there. In this wide range they have already I have shown you in one of the videos air model plates as well. So these are the different plates they make. Let's cover this. I will show you some of the plates, the air model plates. So you buy, so you can buy, and rate wise I will say air model is the cheapest one, and GFA model is the expensive, and I think curve is the most expensive all of this. And by rating I will say GFA module is the better one to buy, and this one GFA models so many so GFA model are so popular these days, so as well. So in air module, company makes so many switches, different type of switches they have, like Aircos, Atio, Aero, Aura, Arc, and these are the distinct and flat, slim and minimal. These are the different plates they make out. A7 plates, A7 plates. These have shown. They have shown A7 plates arrow switches with an indicator. A7 plate with USB charger. I will show you A7 plates arc switches with indicator. A7 plate auto switch with indicator, and then we have A7 plate step marker. They have A7 plate I push step marker as well. A7 plate tri-star 5-step regulator. A7 Wi-Fi switches they have given. Now let's come to the switches part. Here we have the same one. Here are the Aeromax 10 ampere switches, and like same way, one way switch, two-way switch, two-way switch, well push switch, indicator switch. Here we have like the same way arrow 10 ampere, one way switch, 2 ampere, to like one way switch, two module switches, two way switch, well push switch, arrow module. 20 ampere switches, one way switch, 1 ampere, like 20 ampere one way switch we indicate 20 ampere two way switch, 20 ampere one way switch, so 20 ampere one way switch, 20 ampere. These are different switches they make. The 32 bit amperes. And here we have is arc model, one way switch with indicator, one way switch with two way switch, two way well push switch, and full switch with indicator, and arc one way switch with indicator. Two module switches they are, with indicator, two way switch, well push switch with indicator. So then arc switches, they have different models. One way switch, 20 ampere one way switch, 20 ampere one way, like with indicator, 20 way two way switch, 20 ampere one way switch. Then we have 20 ampere two way switch, like one way switch 20 ampere one way switch with indicator, 20 ampere two way switch. Then we have is a 30 ampere DP switch. And here comes part we have is they have shown is Aura model switches. Here the same description we have Aura model for this one. And these are the sockets we have, 6 ampere sockets, 16 ampere socket with the 16 ampere socket like junior socket, same with the sockets with safety, 6 ampere socket like raised sockets, 16 like 6 and like sockets. These are the shutter socket. These are the fan regulators we have, dimmer, 4-step regulator. These are the 8-step full radiatory, and tri-star like five-step regulator we have. This is like a onion 5-step regulator, full regulator, 5-step regulator, full radiatory. This is a 25 ampere motor starter switch with the TV sockets and RJ45 ADP socket outlet. So let's come over here in this section. These are MCBs, 32 6 to 32 ampere. Here the single pole they have shown over here. So, and indicator like black modules, step marker lights, step marker. Here are electronic bells, 32 ampere, like 32 DP, operated by key tag. Here we have only key tag. These are the do not disturb, make my room switches. Then we have over here 60 watt C type charger, fast charger, like USB charger, USB charger with two USBs, 18 watt type C fast charger. Then we have step marker lights, they have shown foot stepper. Then we have iSmart switches. Here is a iSmart one way switch, like two module switch, iSmart Wi-Fi switch. They have iSmart Wi-Fi, like dimmer fan regulators they have in this one, and iSmart Wi-Fi they have shown. And here comes the different module, like auto module switches. Over here the same description. This is the RTO model switches we have. And here over we have is the Arcos model switches. Same way they manufacture all the switches. One way switch, two way switch, one way switch indicator. These are the two way switches. And here comes we have 20 ampere switches we have. Then We have 20 amp switch with indicator, all that. Here I will show you 20 amp switch, which is 1 bit switches. And here comes the A3 plates. A3 is the different model. They manufacture their according to their like different styles. They make these plates. Then we have over here A5 plates. Then we have A7 plates over here. These are different plates they manufacture. These are MRPs are also given over here. And then we have air basic plates like Aura plates. These are the different A3, A5, A7, A6 the series they make plates. So that's it. That's it, guys. We will cover another parts of this company some other day, because this video is going to be more lengthier if I start covering up all the products of this company right now. The video will get lengthier and it will be get bore you bore भी हो जाएगी videos. So I will like wrap up to switches now today. So for some other day we'll cover all the like other products as well of this company. So that's it for this session, and please guys like, share and comment our channel for more videos on electrical products knowledge. So bye for this session. I hope like you have get some basic knowledge of the various gold medal electric products switches regarding this. So please like, share and comment, and subscribe our channel for more electrical videos, for more electrical products display and knowledge and review as well. So guys, bye for this session, and please like and share and comment for more videos. Bye.